Manifestation is about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what you want to attract. But doubt and fear can show up, disrupting your progress. These negative emotions pull you out of alignment and make it harder to believe in your dreams. In this video, we'll walk through practical tips to release fear, overcome doubt, and stay on track with your manifestation journey. Doubt shows up as self-limiting beliefs, those inner voices that say, "This probably won't happen." Fear can appear as anxiety about success or failure. These emotions shift your energy from abundance to scarcity, but they are normal. The goal isn't to ignore them, but to manage them effectively and stay connected to your desires. Here are 3 powerful techniques to overcome doubt and fear. Journaling. Write down your fears and replace them with empowering affirmations. This releases negative energy and helps you focus on gratitude. Use prompts like, "What will my ideal day look like once I achieve my goal?" Tapping. EFT tap on specific points on your face and body while repeating statements like, "Even though I feel doubt, I deeply accept myself." This calms anxiety and rewires emotional patterns. Cognitive reframing. Change your inner dialogue. Instead of, "It's not working," say, "Every small step brings me closer to my goal." This keeps your thoughts aligned with progress. Building daily routines keeps you connected to your goals. Morning. Start with gratitude journaling, affirmations, and a quick visualization of your dreams. Throughout the day, practice mindfulness. When doubt sneaks in, take a moment to breathe deeply and redirect your thoughts. Evening. Reflect on your wins, no matter how small. Write down any doubts and symbolically release them before bed. Setbacks are part of the journey, and self-compassion is essential. Treat yourself with kindness, just as you would a friend. If you need help, reach out to coaches or join a supportive community to stay inspired. Manifestation isn't about perfection, it's about showing up every day with faith in your journey. Ready to stay in manifesting mode? Try journaling, tapping, and mindfulness today. Thanks for watching.